Hey guys, this is WD40 spray multi-purpose product. Spray two ways, wide and narrow. This stops squeaks, drive out moisture, cleans and protect losing rusted parts, freeze sticky mechanism. This one is 450 mils, silicone free. This is something that I use on my doors, and just you need to bring it out this way, then you spray it from the top. This is very handy. I like it. It does the job, relieving squeaky stuff, garage doors and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought to show you what I got here. Happy for this. If you have a squeaky door, house door, just spray this to it and it will relieve the stiff, make it a lot smooth and easy for you to close the door and hinges. So guys, this is where I put this WD40. Put it on the hinges. Then just to make the door easy to close.